Are you tired of watching endless YouTube videos about RSI or stochastic? Say goodbye to hours of research and YouTube tutorials. The Pro Thunder V10 is here to revolutionize your trading journey. With Pro Thunder V10, you don't need to master multiple indicators or check countless tutorials. It's all done for you. Simply plug it in and start trading smarter today. What makes it so powerful? This all-in-one indicator is powered by 28 advanced tools, including RSI, Bollinger Bands, Stochastic, and 25 other key indicators. No need to waste time learning how each works individually. We've combined them into a single, easy-to-use system. But that's not all. We're sharing exclusive video tutorials showing exactly how RSI, Stochastic, and Bollinger Bands work together in the Pro Thunder V10. Plus, we're including a complete PDF guide on managing risk with a $100 trading account to help you trade smarter. You'll find the download link in the description. Let's go, guys. Here are some trades for you. As you can see, the indicator has just notified me of a new trading signal for the USD-JPY pair. The alert appeared here in the upper left corner of my screen. I'm using Pocket Option as my broker for this trade. Let me quickly place the trade here. The trade is now placed. Pro Thunder V10. It is an advanced binary options indicator designed by SS7 Trader. It combines neural networks and artificial intelligence to deliver precise market analysis, helping traders identify high-probability put-call trading opportunities. I want to show you exactly why this signal is so reliable. Here's a closer look at the analysis. The RSI and Stochastic Oscillator are both in the overbought zone, signaling a potential reversal. At the same time, the Bollinger Bands show price touching the upper band, which is another confirmation. While these three indicators give you a good visual confirmation, the Pro Thunder V10 is doing so much more behind the scenes. With over 25 additional indicators and neural network analysis, it ensures you only get high-quality signals that maximize your chances of success. Pro Thunder V10 works great during high volatility news events. It quickly adjusts to market changes, giving you accurate signals even when the market is unpredictable. With its advanced technology, it helps you find the best trading opportunities. Now, let's check back on our trade to see how it's doing. As expected, the Pro Thunder V10 signal was spot on. This is why it's my go-to indicator for trading. So, if you're looking for a tool that combines powerful AI technology with accurate market analysis, the Pro Thunder V10 is a game changer.
Audio Jungle.